Hey guys, my name is Mary, and today I'm about to spill the beans on my secret drink that helped me melt belly fat fast. If you've been struggling to lose that stubborn tummy, trust me, you'll want to try this out. So, here's what you need: 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, a cup of fresh pineapple, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's it. These simple ingredients come together for a powerhouse drink that kickstarts your metabolism and helps torch belly fat. First, slice up the cucumber and pineapple. Toss them in your blender. Peel and grate that ginger. Don't skip it. It's a game changer for digestion. Squeeze in the lemon juice, pour in a cup of cold water, and add that apple cider vinegar. Blend it all up until it's super smooth. Now, I usually drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and honestly, it makes me feel lighter and more energized all day. The cucumber hydrates, the pineapple gives you a sweet metabolism boost, ginger fights bloat, lemon flushes out toxins, and apple cider vinegar is famous for burning fat. It's like a mini spa for your belly. Stick with it for a week, and you'll notice your jeans fitting a little looser. Remember, no drink is magic on its own. Pair this with healthy meals and some movement, and watch the transformation happen. Let me know if you try it. Drop your results in the comments. Catch you in the next video.